Bitcoin will crazy volatility in this next couple of days, and I will exactly show you where I expect Bitcoin will be going when this volatility kicks in. And also definitely don't miss out on all the content that we have here today. So there's a lot of stuff that we have actually to cover here, so definitely stick around for that. If you think that's interesting, then please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And now let's directly dive here into today's content. So here we can see now on the 4-hourly chart that we have broken out here in a sideways move out of this a bigger falling broadening wedge here. So, and also on the stochastic RSI we are close to a bottom here because we are entering oversold conditions on the stochastic RSI. So, and that could potentially lead to a further move here to the upside in the Bitcoin price. So, and yeah, I'm definitely preparing for that. So, and if that is the case, then we have potentially had already our bottom here and get a potential double bottom here. So, and that is something that we can observe here on the daily chart. We can clearly see that here this candle, this one here, is not lower than this one here. So, and if now in the next couple of days the Bitcoin price starts to moving up here, then and breaks this neckline, this will confirm then the W pattern that I was also yesterday talking about, and then we see a potential move all the way up to $28,000 approximately. So that would be obviously really good news for Bitcoin, because when we break this level of 28,000, then we can definitely say that we are out of the woods with the worst for the time now. So, and that is exactly what we want to see here in the Bitcoin chart. So, but I will also show you where I expect the crazy volatility coming from. So, and that is here on the CME futures chart. So yeah, on the CME futures chart, so you can see that the Bitcoin price was closing here at, let me show you that, on Friday with this candle here. So the price closed at 19,370. So let me actually move this a little bit lower. Yeah, around here. So there we were closing on a Friday. So Friday was closing here. So, and today, a couple days later, so here, so in between there, we will have a small gap. So if the Bitcoin price is now not moving in higher directions, yeah, and stays above $19,400 approximately, only then we would not have a gap tonight. But I expect to have a small gap here from 19,000 approximately. So from here all the way up here, it's a small gap. So, but that means the Bitcoin price has actually to return all the way up here to close that specific gap. So, and once this is happening, then we are also getting closer again to the $20,000 level. So, and if we can manage then, now with everything falling into place, with the 4-hourly chart being close to the bottom on the stochastic RSI, the daily being close on the bottom of the stochastic RSI, we should see some upwards momentum and giving us crazy volatility that we obviously can take advantage of by trading it. So, and when we are looking here on the 15 minutes chart, so then we can also see that the Bitcoin price is consolidating here in the symmetrical triangle right now and moving here up and down. So, and we can take advantage of that with small trade positions here. So we can scalp this either to the upside or to the downside. So, and when we are measuring this here from top to the bottom, so if we would break it to the upside, it would go to 19,300, which a nice coincidence with the CME chart. So, and if it breaks to the downside, oops, sorry guys. So then we go to 18,700. So, and I have actually already opened a small short position, because we can see here that the Bitcoin price is more or less getting a small rejection now again here from the downward sloping resistance line. So, and yeah, we definitely will the price be trading, yeah, to see the price going here all the way to the bottom here again to bounce back up and then potentially break out. So, or it bounces down, up, down, and then it breaks up. So, but I also want to point out here that we have here on the 15 minutes a small W pattern right now. So, and we can obviously also trade that. So, and if we measure this, just let me make this another color. So if we would trade based on that, then we also see a breakout to 19,300 if the Bitcoin price can manage to break out here now, break above the neckline of this W pattern, and then go here all the way up. So this is a really, really small and quick trade that we can make here on Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So, and if you want to trade, then don't forget, if you use here my specific Bybit link, this link here, you still get $4,620, not 4,500, 4,620, which is an amazing bonus just for signing up on Bybit. Or you go to Phemex, there you still get $4,100 also, only with this specific link, guys. Only with my link you will be able to claim that bonus. And remember, this is only for experienced traders. We are leverage trading here, so you should definitely be knowing what are you doing here. So then also on the Ethereum chart, since I bought yesterday $100,000 worth of Ethereum, a little bit here under my buy zone, so I'm here slightly now in a profit. It's like around 0.5% or something, but I'm in a slight profit. So that was definitely for the time being so far a smart move, especially with all the indicators starting to falling in place here and lining up for a potential reversal. Only here on Ethereum it doesn't look that good. So on the 4-hourly, let's have a look on the daily. Yeah, also here we could still expect some further drawdown, but like I said, that was a long-term holding acquisition that I did here in Bitcoin, Ethereum. So I'm not too concerned actually with this, because like I said yesterday, I don't care if it drops all the way down here or down here, and there's then the bottom and it reverses back to the upside. I want to keep this close to the next top in the next bull run, or or in the next cycle. So that's for me absolutely fine to keep holding the Ethereum that I bought yesterday. So guys, just to sum it up, we should expect some volatility, first of all because of the small CME gap that we are seeing here and all these indicators here falling into place, and that we are out of this broadening falling wedge here, where we have a technical target all the way up at $21,744. And also on the 10th of July, if I'm not mistaken, so next week Sunday, there is also a new Fed meeting. So, and that will also definitely cause some volatility in the markets. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong with the date, but I know it's happening this month, and it's in a matter of days if I'm not mistaken, but you can correct me in the comments if I'm just wrong about the date. But that will definitely also have an influence on the market, what they're deciding there. And then we have also the markets opening here in a couple of hours again in the US. So, and also that will impact definitely the crypto price. So definitely be careful with your trading for the time being. So, but there is opportunity in the market. So I just want to show you really quick here my small trade. So it's like a % in a loss right now. So, but I'm confident to to make some profit here, and I will actually share this then also on my free Telegram channel. That link you can also find here under my video in the comment section and in the description of the video. There is the free channel, and if you want to join my paid signals channel, where we are absolutely smashing it for the last couple of months, every month only with free X leverage over 1,000% return. That is really unheard of, that we can achieve so much profit. Just ask my staff. So that is the link directly to contact my staff. Ask them for the results. They can show it and prove it to you, and definitely take advantage of that. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.